Hello guys, this is Kaustubh, and in today's video I will be unboxing my second tripod which I brought recently from Amazon. So I got this from Amazon for about rupees 1385, and actually there was a sale going on, so I got it on offer. So this is a Fotron Steady 560. You can see the name here. It is written. It is the Fotron Steady 560 Pro. So it has a bag included in it. Its height is 5.6 feet, warranty stuff, and extra quick release plate too. So these are the features given on the box here. So as you can see, there is a multi-purpose head with quick release, 3-way pan, also has a bubble level, also has an accessory hook, and also a carry handle and foam grip, gear elevator handle, and a flip lock, and also a steady feet, a swivel set cuff proof rubber fit. Okay, so that's it, and the price quoted on the box is as you can see, it is given rupees 2950, but I got it for rupees 1385. So also some specs are given here. So the max height it can go is 5.6 feet, fold length is 685 mm, leg diameter is 27 mm, tripod weight is 1.35 kgs, max load is 6 kg, and it is in 3 sections, and the pan head can rotate in 3 ways. So let's just quickly unbox it and let's just have a first look at it. So this is the bag which is included with it. Nice bag, nothing is there in the box. Keep the box aside. Okay, so this is the bag. The tripod in it. So this is a nice storage bag provided by Fotron. So let's keep it aside. Let's remove this film. So this is the tripod itself, and this is the extra quick release plate which is provided with it, one extra one, and this is the original one given with it, and this is the extra one. So let's keep this aside too. Okay, so let me just set the camera. Okay, so let's just open the tripod, and this is the pan rod. As you can see, we can pan it in any direction we want by using the pan rod basically. So as you can see, there is an accessory hook provided which was told on the box, and this is a 3-way, like 3 legs tripod. Also I think this is a handle with it, nice handle. So this is the quick release plate, and let me just remove. So this, okay, sorry. So this will just pop into the camera from the bottom of the camera. Sorry. So from the bottom of the camera. So that's it. And also this is the bubble level here, as you can see. And this is the pan rod by which you can pan in any direction you want. It's very nice. You can get very smooth pans. It is rotating very smoothly, as you can see right now. And these are the leg clips. Let me set the camera. Okay, so these are the leg clips. Just open it, and you can just extend the height of increase the height of the tripod. See, as you can see, the legs are unfolding right now. So actually I don't have enough space. Okay guys, so now I've set up this Fotron 560 tripod, and now I will show you some of the key features of this tripod. So first of all, this rod over here, as you can see, this rod is given for locking the vertical rotation So we'll just lock this, like you have to just tighten this up, and now as you can see it doesn't move up and down, it doesn't rotate up and down. So I will again loosen this up, and this small wheel over here is for locking the horizontal rotation of the tripod. So I will just tighten this up, and now as you can see the horizontal rotation is not moving but a vertical one is working. You can use both of these locks at same time also. So again I will loose this up, and this plate over here where the quick release pad is situated, you can also lock this plate too. Like if I want this angle, I will just keep at this angle, lock this up, and now that it's fixed. So you can lock this plate too, this whole plate. I will again loosen it up. Okay, now this small lever over here, or a rod you can say, this rod if you rotate it, this will get this whole stuff up and down. So that's for it. So you can just increase the height in any manner you want by either opening up the legs, or either doing this by doing this. So that it is for that purpose. Now I will show you how to quickly mount your camera into this tripod. So now I will be showing this quick release pad which is used for mounting it to the tripod, and I will be using my old Sony Handycam. So this has this tripod hole over here, and also this quick release pad has a screw. So you have to just place it into that hole and then just tighten this up, and that's it. So after tightening this up, it's pretty tight. You have to just place it into this slot over here, just pull the lever, then place the camera, and then just you have to gently release this lever and it will lock up. So my camera is completely locked right now. So it's now we will power on the camera. Okay guys, so okay, so the camera is powered on. Now this is the way how you can mount your tripod to the mount a camera to the tripod, sorry. So that's it for the quick unboxing and overview of the Photon 560V tripod. So this is a very sturdy tripod, and also it is made up of aluminium, and it has this handle for holding it, so that's nice. After putting the quick release plate in there, the camera is pretty sturdy, so you can take it in any direction like this. The camera won't fall. Sorry, this plate is not locked up, that's why it came like this, but it has not came out from this location, so that's also a nice thing to mount it stably. So that's it for the quick unboxing and overview of this Photon 560V tripod. I hope you like the video, and if you like the video then hit the like button, and also please hit the subscribe button below, so to get subscribed to my channel for more videos. And thanks for watching my video, and I hope to see you in my next video.